Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Siri voice not working on any iPhone. Now, if the voice of Siri is not working, like, what's the weather in Chicago? Now, as you can see, it has replied in text and it did not give me the answer using its voice. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just increase the volume on your iPhone by pressing the volume up button, or you can swipe down from the top right of the screen and you can open the control center, and you can also increase the volume from here. After that, just open settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence. Now from here, just tap on talk to Siri, and from here just make sure you enable Siri or Hey Siri. Now if it is already enabled, just select off, then turn it on from here. Now just tap on continue and say the following sentences like, Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now once you've done that, then tap on done. And also make sure to enable press side button for Siri. Now from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, just go back to Apple Intelligence. Now from here, just tap on Siri responses. Now instead of automatic, just select prefer spoken responses. After that, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Chicago?
It's currently clear and 64 degrees in Chicago, Illinois.
As you can see, we have successfully fixed the Siri voice not working on our iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on software update, and from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix Siri voice not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.